Hi, this is me, Yawar Manzoor. Welcome to JEE English Unacademy. So people keep asking me this question in my live classes every single time. Sir, is there any way we can learn free on Unacademy's Plus platform? Definitely yes, there is a way. So what is that? So I thought of making the video on that one, that's why. Now, that's Unacademy Combat. This is what we call the Mega Combat. Biggest scholarship test in the entire country. Even you can win up to 4 crore plus. Okay? Now, see, this is a scholarship test by which you can learn free on Unacademy's Plus platform. There are so many top educators who teach you inside Unacademy. Okay, there are country's top educators, there are quota's top educators who have got 20 to 30 years of experience. Now the point over here is how you can give this scholarship test. This happens on every Sundays, 11 a.m. is the time exactly, and 60 minutes will be basically the time duration. And most importantly, there will be the 21 questions. Now the point is, if you get the rank from 1 to 3, you'll be getting completely 1 year IIT JEE subscription for free. Just don't have to pay any sort of money, complete free. Okay, this is the best way. Link is in the description below. Just join that and give the test on every Sundays, okay? And if you get the rank from 4 to 10, you'll be getting 75% of scholarship. You have to pay only 25% of your money. If you get the rank from 11 to 50, you'll be getting 50% of scholarship. If you get the rank from 51 to 150, you'll be getting 25% of scholarship, okay? Now, how you can enroll in this one? Link is in the description below. It will ask for a code while you enroll in this one. So use this code Yawar while you basically enroll in this one. Keep these things in your mind. This is what we call what? Unacademy's Mega Combat. Just join it as soon as possible. Learn free from the top educators of the country. And there are so many other benefits that you can exactly get inside Unacademy. Even you have this clear access inside this Plus platform that you can select your own personal favorite educators and you can create your own batch and you can learn from those educators. This is what we call the clear access, complete access. So thank you so much and use my code Yawar while you enroll in this one. So thank you. Take care.